Today we're going to be taking a look at the new Phantom Camo and HRC graphics kits from Honda that were co-developed with Throttle Jockey exclusively for Honda on the 2022 Grom. And we'll go over all of the detailed info on the new Grom soon, but for this video we're just talking about graphics and walking you through the different options that are listed as official Honda accessories right now. Now if you guys find any info in this video helpful and you want to support the channel, please take a second and hit the like button and comment below for YouTube's algorithm. It helps more than you guys know and I really appreciate it. And now we're going to get a little off topic because it ties in with where I got these videos from. I just got back from the Barber Smallbore event by Man in the Box, and man, oh man, did I have a blast. If you've never been, look the event up and mark it on your calendar for next year. If you're into small bikes, this event is like going to Disney World, but better. I'm working on a small montage video from the weekend and it should be up in a few days. But in the meantime, after you finish this video, go check out some of the other guys' videos because there were a lot of people shooting content this weekend. And one more quick shameless plug on my end. If you want to check out some pictures from the event, check out my Instagram page at HondaPro Kevin. Now, let's get back to what we were talking about, and that's graphics kits. Honda is making two different styles right now, and the first one is the Phantom Camo option. They use flow technology that gives you channeled adhesive for a more bubble-free application while installing, and its thickness comes in at 16 mil for added durability with a high gloss finish. Now how many pieces come in the kit? Who knows? Because Honda doesn't list it on the website, but I believe there are 26 pieces in total. Now I know, stupid me for not counting and verifying while I was there, but it is what it is. Now you not only get the standard Phantom Camo color like you would see on Honda's latest ATV and side-by-side models, but you also have the option of injecting some color in the mix too. You also have a blue Phantom Camo and a yellow Phantom Camo as well, and all three colors come in at the same $129 MSRP. And then we have my personal favorite, the HRC Tricolor Graphics Kit. It's my favorite because my original plan for my 2022 Honda Grom was to have my buddy Daniel at Full Effect Collision recreate the HRC spec race Grom that is only available in Japan. But I think these are going to be pretty popular, so I'm going to go a different route with mine, but you've got to admit, they nailed it and did a pretty good job on this one, so it gets 2 thumbs up from me. Now all of the specs for this kit are the same as the Phantom Camo when it comes to the flow technology and 16 mil thickness, and pricing is, you guessed it, the same as well, coming in at $129. And that's all of the graphics kits available from Honda right now as an OEM accessory in June of 2021, but I'm sure we'll see more in the near future. But keep in mind, this is far from all of the graphics kits that are available right now for the new 2022 Grom. Yoshimura also has multiple styles of kits and in different color options too, from their limited edition race kit that has Man in the Box and Steady Garage on it, to their Bullseye and Edge kits. Plus, Yoshi has kept it affordable as well with their pricing, matching Honda's at $129. And that's it for this video, guys. Before we end it though, I want to know what you guys think about these graphics kits and which one is your favorite of the bunch. Or are you the kind of person that hates graphics kits and thinks they're stupid and just looks cheap in general and ruins the overall look of the bike? But that's it for this one. Thanks again for watching and for all of the support lately. You guys have been really killing it and it means the world to me. Thank you.